Neglecting air filter maintenance can overwork and permanently damage a variable speed electronically commutated motor blower. A dirty or clogged filter increases system resistance, which forces the electronically commutated motor to produce higher torque to maintain airflow, causing it to run hotter and draw more current. Over time, that heat degrades the motor windings and the internal electronics that control speed, leading to premature failure. Running the blower continuously at higher motor load shortens capacitor and bearing life and can cause the controller to enter fault modes that cycle the blower on and off in ways that stress components. Reduced airflow also causes the heat exchanger and coils to operate outside designed conditions, which allows condensation and debris to accumulate, increasing mechanical drag and creating further load on the motor. To prevent this, establish a filter change schedule based on your home conditions and filter type, and check filter pressure drop with a simple hand test or an inexpensive pressure gauge if you want precise monitoring. When replacing filters, choose the correct size and the recommended minimum efficiency, and ensure the filter frame seals properly so air cannot bypass the media. Common mistakes include letting filters run until they are visibly filthy, which often means torque and heat damage is already occurring, so replace filters sooner and keep a simple calendar reminder. Another mistake is using the wrong filter size or a filter that does not seat correctly, which increases bypass and forces the motor to compensate. So measure the filter slot and confirm fitment before installing. A third issue is assuming variable speed blowers self-protect against long-term overload. They can trip, but repeated high-load operation still degrades electronics and bearings, so monitor system run patterns and have a technician inspect motor temperature and controller diagnostics if you notice reduced airflow or frequent faults. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for preventative care projects and system inspections, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their area. We also host an active discussion community where we share maintenance tips and troubleshooting experiences for systems like variable speed electronically commutated motor blowers.